Hey, welcome back. Today we are making this beautiful bracelet. Of course, we can make a ring or a necklace too with the same process. It works the same way. The material we need. I am using 4mm plastic bead and also 3mm white bead. Elastic cord I am using is 0.5mm thick and also a lobster clasp and some jumpring. We use different size of jumpring there. First we pull our cord through the clasp. Before we continue, make sure both cord have the same length. Then we insert a 2mm seed bead to secure the lobster. And then we have two ends of the elastic cord. In one end we use big bead, big plastic one, and the another length we use the white bead. First we insert one plastic bead in one side of the cord, then insert 6 white bead in the another side. First identify the last bead we put there. I put the left cord to the last bead like this. And pull it tightly. Let's do it another one. First we put one large bead in one end and another 6 bead in the other end, and the last bead we insert is the bead where I insert the left cord. Like this. How many beads do I need? The answer of the question is, it depends how big your pearl or your wrist length is. Just try it out a few times and you will see what looks the best. Let's do another portion. secure the rest amount with a pliers. Make sure you don't break a bead and don't get hurt with it. The main portion of the bracelet look like this. You can also use different color bead and it will be more beautiful if you use contrast bead. Let's make the other portion. We make hanging for the chain. First we need any kind of cord. After that we insert 5 big beads and secure it tightly. After that insert another 6 bead into the cord. And pull the bead under the big bead. We pull it tightly to make it secure. Do the same process with 4 more times to look like a flower. Every time we pull the cord under the big beads, then it will look like a flower. This portion we are going to use it as a hanging. After that, make a knot to secure it. This portion will look like this. See how beautiful is this? Now take a jump ring and attach with the star, the flower actually. And take a chain to attach it and take another jump ring for attach with the bracelet. Secure it tightly with the pliers. Be careful with the pliers. And we are done. I hope this video was helpful to you and we can easily make this bracelet. If you like it, please do like, share and comment. Please subscribe my channel. It will be very helpful for me.